In this video, we're going to talk about the anchoring survey. The survey was really meant to expose the effects of anchoring bias in estimation tasks, and it's based on the work by Jackowitz and Kenneman back in 1995. The survey is composed really of just two questions. Question 1 is a so-called anchoring question, which is meant to bias participants for question 2, which is a simple estimation task. Participants are randomly split into two equally sized groups and confronted with different anchoring questions. All right? Anchoring question for group 1 is the Mississippi River longer than 3,000 miles? Question number 2, question number 1 for group 2 is the Mississippi River longer than 200 miles? Now, the estimation question is presented to both groups, and it's the same question. So both groups are then asked to estimate the length of Mississippi in question 2, which is how long is the Mississippi River? Period. That's it. Now, we expect the group means for the estimations in question 2 to significantly differ due to the distinct biases of the groups in question 1. That is, the graphs below, which we're going to talk about in a moment, are going to show the outcome from a classroom experiment, not in this particular class, but with a survey in 2018, and it illustrates the anchoring bias of the two groups earlier in 2018. So, if you look at all respondents, and let's go ahead and make this a little bit bigger so we can view the whole thing. So I'm going to crank that up to 200, and now we got a better view, all right? You can see here that the median is about 2,000, and there's answers all over the place from as low as 120 miles all the way up to 6,000 miles. Now remember, this is all groups, all right? So let me zoom back to where we were and then go to the classification of the groups themselves. All right, let's make that a little bit bigger. We'll zoom to 200. And now you can easily see what's going on, right? If you take a look here at each of the groups, one thing will be easily noticed. For path 1, you see 3005 is the answer that's given. For path 2, the median answer is 734. And it probably doesn't surprise you which group is which. Path 1 was the one that was presented with the much bigger number for question 1. And path 2 was the one that was asked, hey, is it bigger than 200 miles? These results are very shocking. But you want to know something else? They're very consistent, not only on questions like this, but a whole host of questions, including, by the way, economic questions. In any event, I hope you enjoyed this survey, and I hope this video you found useful. Take care and best wishes.